What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn your post notifications. By the thumbnail, you know we got an unboxing and review. I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I already opened these and I've already used them behind the chair, but we're gonna get to it. We're gonna unbox this and let you guys see what's inside the box, what the trimmer is looking like, and how it operates behind the chair. So let's get to it.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
All right, y'all, so we got the Tpob X trimmer here. I'm gonna go ahead and go over what's inside the box, what's on the back, and read you guys all this information so you guys can see what it's about. This trimmer, I gotta tell you, hands down, is probably the best trimmer that I've used thus far. I know I say that every time I get something new, but there's just something different about this, the brushless motor and the actual Psycho blade that it comes with. The Psycho blade is taking over right now. It's crazy, it's a hitter. But let's get inside the box and then we'll get to the clips of me using this behind the chair. You guys can see how much of a hitter these actually are. So let's get into the box and I'll show you guys what it comes with. All right, y'all, so we have the Tpob X, 180 minutes of runtime, 3 hours of runtime, all metal body, Psycho DLC blade, 7200 RPM brushless motor. Here is the trimmer. On the side we have the X, on the other side we have the X, and on the bottom and the top we have the Tpob branding. On the back end here we have the Tpob X high torque brushless motor, which runs at 7200 RPM or 13,600 strokes per minute. 2200 mAh battery gives 3 hour runtime, all metal body with an ergonomic and balanced design offering low noise level and our quietest performance yet. DLC Psycho blade with our twisted tooth cutting blade for the crunchiest cutting ever. Got the Tpob Psycho blade there. You can visit them at www.thepissedoffbarber.com. You can follow at thepissedoffbarber on IG. But let's go ahead and get into the box, open it up, and see what it comes with. So this is a slide top here, so we can slide this top box off, or the lid. And on the side, you can see the iconic cartoon work that comes on every Tpob clipper. For more of this artwork, you can go to Antisocial Barber Club, follow that page. There's a bunch of memes and videos and stuff and cartoons on that page. But inside the box, we have our user manual. Here is the Tpob X user manual. And also inside here, let's open this up here, we have our accessories, and that's going to be your actual charging cord. You have a box that goes into the outlet, your actual plug here. This is a US plug. If you've been following Tpob for a minute and buying clippers from Tpob, you know that it came with a UK plug for a while now, but now it is included with a US plug. Also, you have a cleaning brush here, and you have a screwdriver to zero gap and adjust your blade if you would like to do so. So throw all this back inside the box here and get to the trimmer, which is what we are all here for. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out here, and on this right here we have the plastic cover. Let's go ahead and unveil the trimmer. Here is the trimmer. We're gonna go ahead and take off this blade cover here and let you guys see the blade. So there is the Tpob Psycho blade. Like I said, this blade right here is next level, best blade in the game, and I'm not just saying that, no cap in my rep, but you got Tpob right there. Here is the power switch. It's got a hanging hook and the charging port, X branding on the bottom, and you can see there the blade. This is right off the box. So all the clips in this video that I'm going to show you are going to be with me using it right out the box. So there it is, all metal housing. I'll go ahead and turn it on for y'all so you can see what it sounds like. So there it is. It's got the blue LED indicator light, which turns red if it does need to be charged. But I'm really digging this trimmer. When you turn it on, you can really feel how powerful it is. You can feel, how sturdy it is. It's a very, very premium quality filling tool, filling trimmer. But this thing right here does work, and we will get to that portion in this video. I will show you guys a full demonstration of how it works, how it operates, how it balls out, how it lines up. This is just an all-around workhorse. But let's get to the demonstration portion of the video so you guys can see that. What's good, everybody? We're at the demonstration portion of the video. As you can see here, we're just balding out different types of hair textures. This blade and this trimmer just slices through like a hot knife, just eating through butter. This right here, the Psycho blade on there with this brushless motor, is just a dynamic duo. Overall, I'm just gonna give you guys an idea how I feel about this. If you haven't seen my review on the Psycho blade in general, you should go check that out. I have done a video on that. But the trimmer overall, I like how it feels in the hand. I like the metal casing. It just gives it a more premium quality feel. I like how ergonomic it is. I like the size. It's not too bulky, it's not too small. It has a good sleek look to it, a sleek aesthetic. And right here, man, you can see any way we put this blade, it's gonna eat through the hair. You could flip it upside down, we can go straight into the bulk, and it's gonna eat and bald out that hair just super tight to the skin. And it just leaves you less work to do with your shaver if you do use a shaver. But like I said, you can flip it around, go the opposite way with the blade, and it's gonna eat through that hair like nothing. Now this trimmer is a very affordable trimmer. Right now I think it is going for 127 USD, 99.99 GBP. That's after the currency exchange, so about $127. But if you use promo code Jayblends, you can save yourself 15% off, and this is at thepissedoffbarber.com. Now you can see here we got all types of different textures of hair in here. I wanted to include as much textures of hair as I possibly could so you guys can get an overall view of how this trimmer works. I'm just thoroughly pleased with it, how it balls out the hairlines, how it eats through bulk, how precise it is, how crispy it gets everything. If you guys are in the market for a new trimmer, I highly suggest you add this to your arsenal. It competes with the best. If not, it is the best in my opinion. This is easily the best trimmer that I've used thus far. I've always been a Babyliss Gold FX fan as far as the blade's concerned, but right here I haven't used the Babyliss FX in so long. The Psycho blade is just next level. I'm telling y'all, you will not be displeased with buying it. You can go get the Psycho blade by itself at thepissedoffbarber.com and also on Amazon if you're trying to go that route. It's like $34 on Amazon, and I'm just telling y'all, just try it out. I guarantee that you will be pleased with it. This is just an all-around workhorse for a trimmer. It balds out, gets precise lines, and you won't be disappointed. As you can see here, it's getting my client nice and crispy, eating through his beard hair, getting it nice and straight. And it's like a tap and go trimmer and a debulker all in one. Now there's a lot of trimmers out there that can do one or the other. You know, it can either give you precise lines, or it can bald out really nicely. But a lot of trimmers out there can't do both. But this is one of those that does both. And another thing about the beards, underneath on the neck area of the beard, this is one of those trimmers that doesn't pull and snag on the skin. When you're balding out on the side of the head, it doesn't snag on the skin. And this is straight out the box. This is not zero gapped or anything. So I could just imagine how much more it would hit if I zero gapped it, but I'm not trying to zero gap it. It's performing well out the box. So this is out the box, like I said. So y'all take that in consideration when looking to buy your next trimmer. I highly suggest you add this to your arsenal. Once again, you can find this trimmer at thepissedoffbarber.com. You can use code Jayblends to save yourself 15% off of your purchase. It will be on Amazon, I want to say roughly in the next few weeks. So y'all stay tuned. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on your post notifications. And until next time, God bless.